Today we'll be making English muffin loaf bread. This is perfect for breakfast and to pair with jam. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. To a bread machine or stand mixer, add in milk, eggs, salt, sugar, vegetable oil, and all-purpose flour. And don't forget instant yeast. Now place into your bread machine or stand mixer and let it knead for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of kneading, let it rest for 1 hour until doubled in size. After 1 hour, we'll take out the dough onto our surface and flatten the dough. Remove all the excess air. Then divide your dough into 3 parts. Flatten each piece and shape into a ball. Place your 3 doughs into a greased pan. Today I'm using a large 13x4 loaf pan. If you're using a smaller pan, you may be able to make 2 loaves. Cover and we'll let this rest for 45 minutes. You can see now that the dough has risen. Now top with cornmeal. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes. Then remove from the pan and let it cool completely. And there you have it, a delicious English muffin loaf bread. Enjoy!